Hi guys, practice, practice and practice. Regular and perfect practice makes a man perfect. I'm Tinsy from Posh Vibes. Today I'm here with 10 golden rules of OET listening. Stay tuned. First golden rule is develop your listening skill. Only by doing many OET materials, your listening skills are not going to improve. Listen and practice lot of things out of the classroom. Often hear some of the research trials that the medical professionals have undertaken or some kind of surveys relevant to their research topic. Also, try to watch English movies with or without subtitles. In addition to that, you can watch English programs like 24 Hours A&E, podcast, TED Talks, ABC Health News and so on. Second golden rule is be confident. When you are appearing OET exam, which module comes first? Yes, listening is the first module. So, when you are waiting for the exam to begin, you may be tensed, stressful and panic. Especially those who are writing OET exam for the first time. This may put you down and will affect your confidence level. So, be cool and calm. Please try to stabilize yourself to continue your OET exam. I have a suggestion for you. Until and unless you get B band, keep on practice. Okay? The third golden rule is improve your concentration. When you do OET listening task, is it easy for you to get all the answers? I know this is not that easy. It's really a brainstorming task. Therefore, you need to listen this carefully and wait for the answers very patiently. Concentrating on signpost, paraphrased words, heading, synonyms and phrases will help you to find out the correct answers. Along with that, try to concentrate on the distractions as well. As you are aware, in OET listening, we are listening for a monologue or a dialogue, like a talk of a healthcare professional or a conversation between 2 or 3 healthcare professionals or one healthcare professional or a patient or one healthcare professional or a relative. So, nothing is new in OET listening. Try to filter the correct answer and avoid mistake. Fourth golden rule is predict your answers. In A part, we have 2 extracts and 12 questions in each extracts. Total we have 24 questions. And before starting the audio script, we have 30 seconds to go through the question. This time, identify and underline the keyword, analyze the sentence and predict for your answer. Please remember, don't go for wrong interpretation. Fifth golden rule is move on. Audio is always moving forward with direct or indirect answers. So, do not stuck in between because you will never able to come back and listen that audio again. In this video, I have explained you 5 golden rules of OET listening task. Hope you all understood. And watch out for the next video.